Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus here with the 4th episode of Cooking with Marcus. So today guys, I'm going to attempt to make a homemade beef and gravy pie. Should be delicious. The ingredients we've got some rolled up pork, rolled up pastry, 2 packs, hopefully we should have enough. Got some beef, an egg as well, just to give the pastry that nice golden colour, and of course gravy granules. Got to have sexy gravy. So I'll see you in a minute as I prepare it, guys. Okay guys, had a look at the meat. It's a bit bigger than I expected, so I'm going to cut it into a few smaller pieces to go in the pie. Okay guys, so I've cut the meat into smaller pieces. Now we've got the pastry out the packet. With this pastry, I've been told you've got to blind bake it. First things first, so I'm just going to sort of unroll it into the tin. Okay guys, just making sure the pastry fits in the tin, nice and soft. Going to be a gorgeous homemade pie.
Okay.
A bit of baker. Gordon Ramsay, eat your heart out, mate. Okay guys, pastry in the tin, cut off bits of the excess pastry. Going to blind bake it for about 10 minutes, 5 minutes, just to stop the pastry at the bottom getting damp. Time to go in the oven. Okay, we'll see you soon when it's done blind baking. Okay guys, so that's in the oven. I'm going to brown the meat off before we put it in the pie. Can't wait guys, I'm hungry. Okay guys, pie's almost done. The pastry's almost been blind baked. Meat's almost done browning off as well. Can't wait to try it. Okay guys, meat's browned off, pie's still in the oven, needs a bit longer, gonna make the gravy up, probably maybe gonna do 4 spoons of gravy granules. Okay guys, got the gravy granules in the jug, going to wait for kettle to boil and mix it up. Okay guys, time to put it together. Okay guys, pie's ready. Same problem as we've had almost every time we've done bloody chips. Taking ages. So yeah, we'll see you when the chips are ready and I'm dishing it all up. Can't wait to taste it. Okay guys, pie's done, time to plate it up. Hopefully it don't fall apart on me. Oh God. Don't you dare break. Oh, whoosh. Nice big bit of pie for Mum. Hopefully it's got enough meat and gravy in. Do a couple chips. Right, which is whose? Okay guys, homemade power finally plated up, looks absolutely smashing. Give it a taste, Mum, and see what you think. Or maybe come on the back to nicely and give it a taste as well.
A bit pastry in it as well.
Do you reckon so?
Meat's
Nice
and
chunky
tender.
meat, tender. Pastry's got that soft bit. Also got the crunchiness as well. Like not so soft, not so crunchy. Honestly guys, if you want a pie, forget going Wetherspoons, do it yourself. Brilliant pie, absolutely top quality.
Really nice. Really tasty, Marcus. You're cooking all the time now, mate.
I'm getting better at cooking, guys. See you next time on Adventures of Cooking with Marcus.